Over 90% of everything you do isn't your choice. You think you're in control, but your subconscious made the decision before you even realized it. Every action, every desire, every so-called choice was already determined. Your conscious mind is just here to justify it. You reach for your phone without thinking and you judge a person in milliseconds. Your conscious mind is just there to rationalize decisions your subconscious already made. Scientists found that brain activity predicting a decision happens seconds before you consciously choose it. You're running on pre-programmed habits, emotions, and impulses, reactions shaped by experience, social conditioning, and genetic instincts. If you want to change your life, don't fight your subconscious, reprogram it. Feed it the right inputs, the right environments, the right habits, the right influences. If you want power over others, speak to their subconscious desires, not their logic. People don't buy products, they buy feelings. They don't follow leaders, they follow emotions. Learn the secrets to hack your own brain and surpass everyone else.
Everything you know is an illusion. You don't see the world as it is, you see it as your mind wants you to see it. Two people can live the same moment, yet remember completely different realities. Your brain doesn't record the truth, it constructs it. Your perception is not reality, it's a filtered version of it. Every belief you hold, every experience you've had, and every emotion you feel, changes how you interpret the world. This is why people argue over facts, why memories shift over time, and why two individuals can look at the same event and swear it happened differently. If reality is subjective, you can reshape it. Change your inputs and you change your world. Surround yourself with new ideas and your perception shifts. Reframe setbacks as opportunities and your brain will adapt. And if you want to influence others, don't argue with their reality, reshape how they see it. Because the one who controls perception controls everything. Learn the secrets to hack your own brain and surpass everyone else.
You think you want unlimited freedom, but the truth is, it terrifies you. When faced with endless possibilities, your mind freezes, so you create rules, routines, and even self-sabotage, not to break free, but to feel safe. The human brain wasn't built for chaos, it craves structure. That's why too many options lead to paralysis. It's why people in strict systems often feel more at peace than those with absolute freedom. It's why prisoners sometimes struggle when released. They've lost the structure that made life predictable. You follow routines not just out of habit but to avoid the anxiety of the unknown. You tell yourself you want freedom, but in reality, you want just enough to feel in control, never so much that you drown in it. Learn the secrets to hack your own brain and surpass everyone else.